welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing a wig review on this unit. This is by Red Carpet Premiere. This is the Sparkling Girl Lace Front Wig. It features Future Aroma Cakey Line fibers. So this is the RCP7041 Sparkling Girl 01. I have it in the color TS Creamy Blonde / Gold. So yeah, sorry y'all, I was getting City Girl vibes. Okay, so this is the stock card, and then this is the back. The color that I have is this color right here. Hopefully my camera is picking it up. It's like a creamy blonde. It's like an ashy creamy blonde color, and then it has gold like glitter strands in it. It's so popping. Like, so okay, I'm gonna give you guys the details on this wig and all that, but first okay, so in the wig group that I am in, a lot of people didn't like the wig because it's like too glittery. It's too much like glitter strands in it. But ladies, listen, I don't know, but this one, I love this one for the simple fact I can do glitter eye shopping. I mean, I'm sorry, not glitter. I can do glitter eyeshadow and be popping for the club with some white glitter popping eyeshadow, and then I got the glitter in this sparkling hair. Can y'all, is the camera picking it up? I hope the camera is picking it up. That will be a popping like look for real, y'all. Like, for real, this is cute. So just think about that. So the cap size on this wig is small and big head friendly. The texture is Cakey Line Future Aroma fiber synthetic, and the length, this is the length. Let me pull my pants up, y'all. So this is the length. It's pretty much goes down to, yeah, goes down to my butt pretty much. The color, yeah, this color is so cute. When I seen this on sale for $10 on GoBeauty.com, I was like, get out of here, no way. This is cute. I wanted a human hair wig this color, and this feels very nice. So I'm gonna definitely put this in the packaging and all that. Ooh, I might wear this tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm even going to school tomorrow. It's almost 2 o'clock, and I drank all this and I just did like 8 videos, so we'll see. So yeah, I don't have any tangling with this hair. It has a soft texture. I am getting quite a bit of shedding, which I hope stops, because I plan on wearing this one like a lot. So I'm just gonna deal with the shedding, because look at this. This is a baddie on a budget. A baddie on a budget. So I am getting shedding. I'm not getting tangling. It's very silky, and it's it looks, this feels so good, boo boo. I'm feeling myself for real. So ladies, don't be discouraged by, like, it is quite a bit of, well, not in this one. It's not, it doesn't look like costume-ish at all. Hopefully costume-ish, but it looks glam to me. Imagine having your makeup done with some glitter eyeshadow. Ladies, you can't tell me that's not gonna look good going out to the club or something. I'm not sure if you want to wear it to work. It's not really work appropriate hair to walk around with glitter in your hair. But going out for drinks and all that, you're gonna be catching heads. I mean, you're gonna be turning heads and copping numbers and all that good jazzy stuff. So yeah, I really like this wig. As you can see, I'm very happy I got this color. I'm not sure if I wanted to try this white color, but I probably wouldn't like it as much because it probably wouldn't go with my skin tone. And I probably would not have liked it, the black. I don't know. You won't know until you try it. So yeah. So I'm really happy that I tried this color, and I plan on wearing this. Yes. Ooh, I'm going to a party this weekend. I think I'm going to be rocking this when I go out this weekend, y'all. So yeah, that's all my thoughts and tea on this wig. It's popping, y'all. Like, this one is popping. So please let me know if you liked it, your unit, or if you're going to try this one. Oh, one more thing. I did cut the lace on this wig and I added foundation powder that matches my skin tone. Also, do you guys recommend me doing black roots or just doing brown? I'm thinking it looks good just like this, but I'm not sure. I think I might leave it like this. I don't want to mess it up, so I think I'm going to leave it like this and call it a day. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Love you guys, and I see you guys later.